Hey everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your time here with me today on my media channel. Today we're unboxing something that actually was released a couple years ago. I'm not even sure if you can really find it easily anymore, but it is the Demon Slayer the Movie Mugen Train Blu-ray Collector's Edition from Funimation, now Crunchyroll. I bought this and I never opened it because, of course, you can stream the thing. And it's like, you know what? I kind of want to open and see what the packaging looks like. So let's look at this package. Now, one of the things is like it has like unique cover artwork here. Like the standard edition looks very different. So this is definitely nicer. It has this little paper wrap around, which is probably going to have to come off, although I'm going to try to preserve it as best as possible. Looks very good on the side. And on the back, it's a limited edition Blu-ray. It has images from the movie and some of the things. It has the soundtrack CD, which the soundtrack to this movie is amazing. It has a booklet and, big box exclusive artwork, which, has you've seen enough of these unboxings now to know that sometimes the packaging is pretty underwhelming. So artwork actually kind of is a special feature. There's audio commentaries, trailers, all these things. I like how they put the cast here, both the English and the Japanese. Fun fact, this I think this is the highest grossing R-rated anime film ever. Now, for those of you who don't know what this movie is, it's a movie based on the TV show, and the animation's wonderful, the action is great. I mean, maybe the story is not super compelling. It's pretty straightforward, all things considering, but like the execution is mind-blowing. You cannot watch this without having watched the first season. I'm telling you that right now. Don't think you can do this as a starting point. You can't. So let's see what let's see. I'm gonna hate that I have to open this, but I'm gonna try to keep all of the material as best possible. The material. The material is very nice. So you can take this off, and as you can see, it has this wonderful artwork in the background. Let's take out the booklet. As you can see, they styled it kind of like those old journals that you see in the TV show. And this is a very nice booklet. You have the creators talking about notes about the design and how they place everything, character. Like this is a fun little little booklet, and it seems like there's some substantial stuff you can read. Storyboards. Oh, that's interesting. For the tears, they used red for the tears. It kind of looks like blood, which, yes, this is a pretty bloody movie. This is a small but substantial booklet. I'm going to be reading that one. Okay, so we took the booklet out. Now let's look at the discs. Inside, it's orange. So there's actually even, you can see there's a little design in there. So they put a lot of care into this. So this is the fold out for the discs. Really? Okay, so that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. But what's it look like when you open it? Well, there's the soundtrack right there. I'm going to rip that to my iPod tonight. And that's a very nice looking disc. So let's put this here so that you can see it better. I guess we'll take out the soundtrack and arrange that as well. I got to be careful because there's not as much label for the soundtrack, so I'm trying not to get my fingerprints on it. I like this little detail. They put the information inside. Like, they don't need to do that, but that's really cool, and that's really nice. So, okay, let's... Oh, oops, I had to put that in first. Then we'll take this, and we'll put this back in now. I'm going to try ever so carefully, because I don't want to get rid... Again, this looks really nice. I'm glad they didn't put any glue on it or anything, so you can kind of just put it... So you can just put it back in. Let me see if the plastic, because it's always easier to take out. Well, I'll figure that out later. But anyway, that is the Demon Slayer the Movie limited edition Blu-ray. Again, I don't even know if it's in print anymore. I bought this a few years ago, and I'm now just getting around to opening it. So I might actually go on eBay, see how much is it selling for. Might go like, ah, what did I do? I opened it. But anyway, such is the life of a. I'm gonna stop. But anyway, such is the life of a YouTuber. But anyway, I would like to know: do any of you have this edition in your collection? What do you think about it? Do you like what do you think of the movie and everything? I'd love to know. So you can comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe, and as always, I'll see you at the movies. Take care, everyone.
Hey, you made it to the end. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Just a few more things. First of all, the names that you see on the screen, these are our Patreon and YouTube member supporters. And I thank each and every one of them. Their support helps me make exclusive videos for Patreon and YouTube members, as well as keep the channel running. And of course, is just of huge kindness to me. Also, don't forget to check out the iCritic-led podcast on Spotify, Apple, Google, Deezer, whatever podcasting service you listen to. It is there. We definitely want to see you there. And hey, there's also other videos that you can check out. So, check out these other channels, these other videos, especially that one. I think that's a really good one.